Welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel. Welcome once again. Here is the headline for today. Yoruba Nation Mega Rally and Declaration. Presidency tackle Akeredolu over his plan to arm Amotekun. So we all know Amotekun, right? We know it's one of the security, should I say, agents in Yoruba land. And this outfit was created when a lot of things were happening in Yoruba land and people were being killed. So it was created to protect Yoruba people against this Fulani terrorists. And as we can see, they are doing their work, and at least it has reduced the killings of Yoruba people, has reduced a little bit. That is my own opinion. If you have another opinion to what I just said, comment in the comment section. So now, this matter, this presidency tackling Akeredolu has been happening for some time now. Yeah. Akeredolu is very angry that the government doesn't want him to buy arms, to buy guns and different equipment for the Amotekuns, because now the Amotekuns, they are not authorized to make use of gun. They are not authorized. But now, Akeredolu is saying that with the way things are going and the way insecurity is going every day, it is high time the government allows him to buy those guns for those security outfits. Why? Because their counterparts, the Fulani terrorists, those other people, they have guns that are beyond the level of the Yoruba people. They have guns that so they've caught a lot of Fulani terrorists, and when they look at the guns, the arms they carry, they've never seen this kind of a thing before. And now, why is the government not giving them the permission to go and get arms for themselves? Why? So what do you think? Let me hear this in the comment section. Let me say my own opinion. My own opinion is, I feel that since the government are the ones behind these Fulani terrorists, they don't want the Yoruba people to pass them. You understand? They don't want the Yoruba security outfit to how will I put this English now? To overturn them, to have more standard than the Fulani terrorists. That is why they have not been given a gun. Can you imagine? Security outfit don't even make use of gun. Amotekun, they are not making use of gun. Why? So if Fulani comes out now in the bush and start firing, shooting in the air, how would they protect themselves? Is it the pakut that they give them the reason to protect themselves? It doesn't make sense. I saw one picture some days ago on somebody's status, and the person showed a video. It was picturing how the governments were giving arms, like correct arms, to the Fulani terrorists. Why, when it came to the turn of the Yorubas to collect arms, they were giving them pako, where you know pako now, where they now choke nails all over it. And when the Yoruba people, when they carry it, the thing will pierce their hands. You can see that the government are providing enough guns, enough arms, ammunition for the flying terrorists. But for these people that they call their people, for the Yoruba people, they are not providing anything for them. They are asking them to go and fight with their bare hands. And this is not fair. Like, this is not fair at all. The Zamfara government, he bought arms for his people because they built I think an oil company, NNPC, something like that. If I'm not correct, please correct me in the comment section. And they bought guns for those people that will be protecting the oil firm. But now, for lives that are being killed every day, to just allow Akeredolu to provide guns for Amotekun, no, they are saying no. The presidency, they are tackling this man. And this is the main reason why Yoruba people are saying, let us go. Since you don't belong here now, we don't belong here, we are nothing before your eyes. Then let us go and create our own country, and then we'll live in peace and unity there. Like, it is very sad. Like, it's very, why would they be tackling him? Did he ask for bomb to bomb Nigeria? He asked for guns for the Amotekuns to be able to protect the people. That is why a security outfit is being created to provide maximum security for the people. But how would they provide when they don't have enough ammunition for them to do so? How would they use their teeth to fight? Like how is that possible? If you think it's possible for them to fight with that gun, please comment in the comment section. Let me see. Maybe we can advise the Amotekons on how to do it in another way without using the guns. So now let's look at the comments of people towards this. But before I go, I would like to refer to something that happened, I think last week, of how the Amotekons harassed some Nottingham youths that were going towards the north. They were in a truck and the driver was driving, and then the Amotekons asked them to stop to be able to check their vehicle, but the driver, they claimed that the driver disobeyed them small and used them to run. And when he stopped, they searched them, they didn't find anything, but they beat them roughly. So some group of people have the opinion that, wait, these Amotekons that they are shouting they want to buy gun for, if they buy gun for them, sure, they will not be shooting people like this. Although the Fulani people have really treated us very badly and have killed our fathers and mothers and our youth, but the Amotekons, they need to put justice in this. We are saying that Nigeria lacks justice, but the nation that we are going to now, Yoruba nation that we are going to now, the new state, would there be justice there too? So that people are saying that, wait, if they give them guns, they will start killing people. So that's one part of people. I don't know, what is your own take on this particular Amotekons manhandling people, even though they didn't find anything incriminating on them? Now let's look at the comment of people towards the fact that the presidency is tackling Akeredolu over his plan to arm the Amotekons. Babatunde said, Yoruba nation is God's plan. No man can kick against stones. If they do, that will be the beginning of their woes. Their doomsday is knocking on the door. Thank you, sir, for this comment. Yemi Carr said, Akeredolu must go ahead and arm the Amotekons. He can't be arrested under the present Nigerian constitution. He is due immunity when Yoruba nation is finally declared. So normally we operate on a democratic setting. So for every political person in political position, they have immunity. They can't be arrested. So people are saying that now that Akeredolu is saying that he wants to go and buy arms and presidency is tackling him, if he decides to go and buy the arms against all odds, that means the presidency, the Nigerian government might come against him and send people to arrest him the way they arrested Chief Sunday Igboho. Well, people are saying that since Akeredolu is a governor, he has immunity. They cannot arrest him until he's out of office. That means until he's no longer a governor. That's when they will not arrest him. But my brother, anything can happen. They can send assassins to go and kill him in his house or kill his children. So we don't know. God protect us. So I'm trying to look for. So Ganiat said, Nina said, governor can possess gun, but they have to go to the State National Assembly. Okay. So this might say that the presidency is not tackling Akeredolu. They just want him to go through the State National Assembly. But what if they also want to stop him? Is that possible? Okay. Somebody said, Yoruba nation, no going back. Yeah, not going back. They've made up their mind. They are not going back. They cannot go back to the suffering. They cannot go back to the killings. So what's your take on this? What's your take on the fact that President of Nigeria and all those politicians doesn't want Akeredolu to get arms for Amotekun to protect Yoruba land? What is your own take? Let me hear this in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video channel. For those who haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscription button to subscribe, and for those who have not clicked on the notification button, what are you waiting for? Do you want to miss the latest news coming to your table? Please do not forget to click on the notification button. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for listening. God bless.